In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add 0 in front of phone number in Google Sheets. If you've ever typed a phone number that starts with a 0 and watched that 0 vanish the moment you press enter, you're not alone. By default, Google Sheets treats entries as numbers, and numbers don't keep leading zeros. The fix is simple. Tell Sheets to treat the entry as plain text so it preserves exactly what you type. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. At the top right of the Google homepage, click the grid icon that looks like a cluster of small squares. This opens the Google Apps menu. From there, choose Sheets to launch Google Sheets. Once Sheets is open, select the spreadsheet you want to work on. If you're starting fresh, you can open a new, blank spreadsheet. Otherwise, open your existing document where your phone numbers live. Click the cell where you want to insert your phone number. If you plan to enter multiple numbers in the same column, a helpful tip is to select the entire column now by clicking its letter at the top. That way, the formatting you're about to apply will cover all those cells at once. Next, go to the menu bar at the top and click Format. In the menu that appears, hover your mouse over Number. This will reveal a side menu with formatting choices. Click Plain Text. This change tells Google Sheets not to interpret what you enter as a numeric value, but as text, keeping every character exactly as you type it. Now type the phone number starting with 0, press Enter, and you'll see that the leading 0 remains. That's the key benefit of plain text. It preserves leading zeros, spacing, and any symbols you include, so your phone numbers display correctly. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. First, make sure you apply plain text before typing your phone numbers. If you've already typed numbers and the zeros disappeared, reformat the cells to plain text and then re-enter them. Second, remember that plain text entries won't behave like numbers in calculations. That's usually what you want for phone numbers, since they're identifiers, not values you add or subtract. To recap, open Google Sheets, open your document, select the target cell or column, go to Format, hover over Number, choose Plain Text, and then type your phone number with the leading 0. That's all you need to ensure your zeros stay put every time.